So a contractor owes money for work that was done at your house, your property. And even though you paid the contractor in full, if he didn't pay for the materials or the subcontractor work that he was supposed to pay, you are liable for that. I've had that happen many times in my law practice. Someone will come in and say, well, I got a lien. But I paid the contractor everything. Well, unfortunately, if you don't protect yourself, you could potentially end up paying twice. The best thing to do to avoid that is speak to an attorney. Talk to somebody that can educate you before you hire the contractor, before you give the contractor money, so that you are able to avoid those types of risks. Another issue that a lot of people don't know about is the Oregon Construction Contractors Board. The Oregon Construction Contractors Board is a state agency, Oregon state agency, that is there to protect the consumer from unscrupulous contractors. And the way the Contractors Board is, or what we call the CCB, the way it goes about doing that is it requires every contractor, whether it's a general or prime contractor, electrician, plumber, etc., to have a license. And along with that license, in order to get that license, a contractor must be able to show that they're proficient at doing work, number one. Number two, have liability insurance, so if they damage your house or back their truck into your garage, you know that they're covered to pay for such a loss, and as well, they have a surety bond. Generally, a contractor that you hire to come in and do remodeling will have a $20,000 surety bond. And what that means is if the contractor doesn't finish the job, or if the contractor ends up having a lien or causing you to have a lien because you didn't pay his bill, there's a $20,000 bond that you can recover, up to $20,000 bond that you can recover from the Contractors Board. If you're going to do that, it's very important that you be assisted by an attorney. We do this at Millard and Bragg quite often.